There goes the bell, and here we go. This one is scheduled for 5. The overhand right connects right off the bat by Bakocevic. And here we go. Grabs the leg, hooks it up tight, and takes down Asrih. Staying on him now. Trying to get behind, but Asrih keeping that left arm in a good position and manages to flop over as they scramble now. Bakocevic really digging his claws in deep here. Asrih doing his best to get back up to his feet. And does. And now we've got Bakocevic along the cage for the first time. Asrih turns him. Sticking that head, the left side of his face in there. Bakocevic trying to change that. Right hands by Asrih. He's got a lot more leverage there, being so tall over his opponent. Trying to control the left hand and maybe get a knee in there. There's a left hand right to the breadbasket, one upstairs. Bakocevic goes down, his mouth guard came out. He's got to do something, or the referee's going to step in here. He is really pounding away at the head now. Referee's taking a good long look. If he doesn't start moving, this thing's over. Asrih now turns him on his side and continues to rain down shots. How much more is he going to let it go on, and it's over? Bakocevic, his mouth guard came out. Referee does not automatically stop the action if the mouth guard comes out, especially if the man in control has a big offensive advantage. Bakocevic was trying to play defense, but he was playing a little bit too conservatively. Let's take a look at what happened here. Wailing away with the right hand. And Bakocevic just wasn't doing enough to defend himself. Huge hammer fists coming down, landing on the gloves, but still, those are doing a lot of damage. Well, after a very interesting first round, the action finally went up against the cage. Asrih landed a nice shot.